Welcome travelers, I'm currently in Zurich and today I'm gonna fly to Cagliari airport in Sardinia on board Edelweiss in business class. Check-in was done very easy because there was nobody at check-in desks. I will straight head for the Swiss business lounge because I still have about 2 hours till boarding. This is my first business class trip report on this channel and I hope you enjoy. My plan for today's flight to Cagliari will be a 20 years old Airbus A320. I think I already mentioned it, but Zurich airport has a lovely designed duty-free area, much better than other airports. Here we are in the Swiss business class lounge at Zurich airport, and there are plenty of drinks, good coffee and a bit of food. All in all, I really like the quality of the food. In this lounge there's also a silent area, which is very reassuring if you are trying to relax. As my flight will leave in about 45 minutes, I will head to my gate, which is a bit far away from the lounge. However, my flight is on time.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is being refueled, smoking is strictly forbidden. We kindly ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt open. Thank you.
There is no beverage service before takeoff, but that's not a big deal on short-haul flights.
Der fliegt Sie heute Richtung Cagliari. Freut uns sehr, dass Sie heute unsere Gäste sind auf diesem Edelweiss-Flug. Ja, wir waren ziemlich pünktlich bereit hier und sind jetzt in der Sequenz, den Flieger zurückzustoßen und dann folglich in die Luft zu gehen. Wir warten hier noch ein paar Minuten und erwarten dann den Start spätestens um 14:15 Uhr dann auf der Westpiste.
Samstag heißen Sie herzlich willkommen an Bord des Airbus A320 der Edelweiss. In der Flug ist in Zusammenarbeit mit Swiss durchgeführt. Die Flugzeit heute nach Cagliari beträgt 1 Stunde und 35 Minuten. Die ganze Besatzung ist in einem sehr angenehmen Aufenthalt an Bord.
Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices,
Legroom is better than in other rows, but definitely not that good for a seat in row 1. In this row the table is stowed in the armrest, and therefore it's a bit more unstable than in the rows behind. Edelweiss served a cold plate, some bread, salad, cheese and a dessert, which tasted very good. Additionally, I got 1 glass of champagne and 1 of orange juice. All in all a solid product, but I would have been happy about a warm meal. Afterwards there was a cup of coffee as well. Edelweiss magazines are interesting, and I love pages about the aircraft fleet. The rest of the seat packet was very basic, but I will show it to you anyways, in case you are interested. After 1 hour we already started our descent into Cagliari airport.
des Anfangsseiten anzuschauen.
Danke, ciao.
I'm really satisfied with this flight. Edelweiss business class is definitely not the best, but I personally really like it. The crew and the atmosphere on board were great as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.